Goodbye 2020, hello 2021. Here is a review of beaded flowers in 2020 and what's coming up in 2021. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Li, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora studio. I decided to do an impromptu video of a year in review of 2020 for the beading scene and what's going on with my beadwork. It's a bad year, but I think good did come out of it. Let's get into it. Every year, beaders from all over the world descend upon Milwaukee, Wisconsin for the Bead and Button show. And that was delayed from June to August because, 2020 stuff. And then we all received the devastating news that the show, the magazine, and the publishing company Ebook was going out of business completely. 2019 was my first year teaching at the show. I was due back in 2020 to teach. It was my dream to teach there for so long, and I am glad that I was able to experience that before it was shut down forever. Bye, Bead Button. So when the shutdown began in March, I decided I should focus on my YouTube channel. Have you seen how bad the production was for my first videos? For those that stayed with me since the beginning, you're awesome. Let me know in the comments if you're an original subscriber. Now, I immersed myself in learning more about video. I managed to get a video up every week since March, and even 2 videos during the book Bead Along. I am all in, so expect to see me weekly and sometimes twice a week. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you would like to learn more about French beading, turn on the notifications. Remember, it's every Tuesday. Now, it's important to pivot. A lot of beadwork designers have gone on to do Zoom classes and video classes. But lucky me, I already had video classes on my website. I was already doing video. I can't do live Zoom classes now because I have 3 kids and 2 of them I'm doing a virtual school with. We may go back to normal at some point with live beading classes, but video is here to stay. Lauren Harpster and I started a Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers group on Facebook that is focused on bringing more awareness to French beading so it becomes mainstream beadwork. French beading is the underdog in the beading world. We have a year of 2021 bead-alongs planned inside the Facebook group. Many daffodils for January and chamomile for February. There is no fee to join. We are just laser focused on bringing more appreciation of this French art form to the masses. I was the only French beading instructor at Bead Button in 2019, and there were less than a handful of French beading classes over its almost 20-year lifetime. And in August, I was working on new patterns for Bead Button 2021 classes, and very shortly it was announced that the show was canceled forever. I decided to offer the pattern to the Seed Beads and More Facebook group for a bead along. Join the Seed Beads and More group if you like to make these cherry blossoms and cherries in March. A lot of you subscribe to my channel because of my cherry blossoms videos from 4 years ago. So many of you made this over the years, and it makes me so happy to see your projects. So to recap, beads will go on. You're getting bead and button level classes inside Facebook groups now for free. Beaders will bead. Check out this playlist if you'd like to get started. Happy beading!